Good morning, Team Deviate. Today we're going to remove the bump on the 2021 Tesla Model 3. And I'll start off by showing you what we're going to do. First, we're going to use these snap-on air ratchet with extension and 10 mil, a short or stubby, however you want to call it. The Mako 6-piece nuggets, 6-piece mini panel remover set. This is Mr. FMR03. I like to call him Primer 03. The pick right there. Then we have this clip lifter or lifter clips. Pretty much just clips. Then the magnet to remove this frunk. Before we get started, I need my coffee. And just remember, this is my first video that I'm doing myself in a while, so just. So we're going to start by removing this panel right here. They have clips, and you pretty much just clip it out. We're using the panel popper 6-piece nugget, Firmer 06 from Mako.
We're
going to start out by removing this 10 mil, and then coming down to this cover. Look at the air ratchet doing its thing, being ratchet. Being a little ratchet. Not much. And then you pop off again with Mr. Framer 6 over here. He pops off, ain't that right, Adam?
Yep, just pull it forward.
Or back.
Forward and up.
Forward and up. Perfect.
And then
unclip that. Show my guys how you unclip it. Squeeze from the sides. Perfect. And then there's going to be 2 more 10 mils right here. And after that, there's 2 more, one right there and one right there. That's why he showed you that. We're going to wrap this vehicle, by the way. We're going to wrap it we have the color, but it's over here. Let's see if we can find it. Is that it in the box?
it's right there against the wall. See the gray?
Oh, this is gray right here. Satin battleship gray is what it is. Yeah, I got it. So now we're gonna come back over here. So while he's removing that, thank you, sir. So we use a walkie-talkie system over here. That way we can streamline our communications and updates. So now we're gonna remove this. And you know what this is called? Are you ready? It's called the frunk. You wanna know why? It's a trunk on the front. And it also just clips. So we're gonna kind of follow it around to where it makes sense unclipping. And we have dedicated shelves where we put parts at. So now you have access to remove the front bumper. We have these 10 mil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Honda man. Taking off a Tesla bumper. Makes sense. And after he removes these 6 bolts, he's gonna come over here and there's some hardware we gotta move under there. And to gain access to it, you have to remove these clips with the clip lifter or the lifter clip. Just remember, guys, Let's see what it is next. Yep, go ahead. There are 3 right here, right?
Yep.
There are 3 clips. And then, check it out. One of his very important tools. What kind of Pop-Tart is that, Adam?
Strawberry.
Strawberry Pop-Tart. Once you remove those clips, there's a hidden 10 mil bolt under, well, you see where the ratchet's at. There's a hidden 10 mil bolt right there, and 3 more on the bumper bracket right there. So then go ahead and then remove those. Now we're using our little Mako magnetic nut holder. And it's basically going to hold the nuts. Pretty nice grip right there. So now we're gonna go ahead and turn the wheel in the opposite direction to the driver's side. Oh, we forgot the credit card transaction that it needs to. All right, there you go. And basically what we're doing is creating access to the other side. And basically we'll repeat the process over here. Is it 2 or 3 clips? 3 clips, right? 3 clips and 1 hidden 10 mil bolt down there and 3 more underneath the bumper bracket. So while he's doing that, I went ahead and set up my bumper stand. Laying down on the job, because we're about to lift the clips with the clip lifter. I believe there's 10 clips under there.
Ready?
So basically we came back over here and we turned the bumper, the wheels to create clearance. And then under here, we're gonna remove the bumper bracket and then we're going to unclip this bottom trim. Okay. And what motion did you do there, Adam? Because I kind of blocked it.
Downwards pulling motion.
You downwards with what? The clip lifter?
Yes.
You just popped it down like that?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. So that was the driver's side that he did. The passenger side has already been removed. So now he's going to remove the bumper. So now we are ready to remove the bumper. First thing he's going to do is with his right hand grab the bumper. Go ahead. Pull it back. There's 2 little tension clips right here. You see them? There you go. You to hold it?
Yeah.
I got it. Now he's gonna basically, so I'm gonna hold the bumper while he unclips it. The
Clips this harness.
yeah, the harness clips. What tool are you using there? The pick?
Yep.
So we did some finagling, and go ahead, Adam. What are you about to do with the red clip?
Pull it towards you.
And then
Pull gently outwards.
pull gently.
Always gently.
And now the bumper is off, and watch it put on the bumper stand. Watch this smooth Houston Symphony type of movement. There you go, gentlemen. Easy. There you go. And that is how you remove the front bumper. Watch our next video on how to remove the rear bumper.